Hi guys, it's Adam from Team Workout Movement, and today I'll show you a great lower ab workout. Now this will be a follow vlog video, so I'll be doing the workout with you, but now let's look at the exercises. What we will be doing are these 4 exercises, which each one we will do for 15 seconds, and then after we do all 4 of them after each other, we will take a 15-second break. So we'll have 1 minute of working out and then 15-second break, and we'll do it like this 4 times. So together it will be 4 minutes and 45 seconds, so almost those 5 minutes which I was writing in the description. So the first exercise will be a leg raise, but we'll twist our pelvis to the side. Now for the beginner version, you'll be doing regular leg raises, but you can also bend your legs a little. But with the normal guys, try to have them nice and straight, and then do the movement twisting your pelvis to the side each rep you do. Now, you shouldn't go over 90 degrees with this movement, because then you'll lose the tension on that muscle. So always try to have that 90 degree or maybe a less angle, and then you'll just go up with your pelvis and twist it always to one side. Of course guys, we are not fighting with time. We try to make those movements really nice and slow, so you get a nice contraction on the muscle. So I don't want you to do any kind of high intensity reps like this. Always try to do nice, slow, good contraction. Okay? The second exercise will be a extension and hold. In this case, we'll have our legs straight and we'll lean back a little. But still the only thing which will be on the ground will be our glutes. So in this case, you will try to hold it there until the time runs out, so those 15 seconds, and try to contract everything through those lower abs. And for the beginners, what you will be doing is the similar thing, but your legs will be crunched. So it will be a bit easier, but again, if you have strength to do the normal one, try to do it, and if you cannot continue, just crunch it and continue like this. This also goes for the advanced guys, so if you are doing normal exercises which I gave you, and you cannot continue any more, you can just quickly decrease the difficulty, go to the beginner exercises, and then after you accumulate enough strength, you can continue with normal exercises which I give you. So use this in your advantage, so you just won't have those breaks and lose the tension on your muscles, so you're always exercising during that 1 minute interval. The third exercise will be an extension. So from this position, you'll be doing the same thing. It's like switching the position of the advanced guys and beginners, but it will be reps. So you'll be doing like that, again, nice and slow, but you won't be holding it, but you'll be actually contracting and actively moving the muscle around. So again, try to do it through those abs, get a nice muscle there, and always, while going back, try to lean down as big as you can, always just attaching your glutes to the ground, so never have your legs on the floor. And for the last exercise, we will be doing Russian twists. So in this case, I have a video just for that. I will leave it down in the description below. But in short words, you will just have to twist as far as you can. Actually, what really helps is when you are trying to look to the side which you are rotating. So if I would like to do a rep, I would look back like this, and it will provide me that I wouldn't have to think while rotating. It will go automatically, and therefore I will get nice tension there. And again guys, don't rush. You want to do it nice and slow during the entire time and not fall until the time runs out. So this is the last exercise. After you finish this one, you'll have that 15-second break. So now let's begin with the workout. Okay guys, so let's get ready for the workout. We'll start with those leg raises. So come down. When you prepare time. Okay, so 3, 2, 1, and start. So up and turn, back, up, turn, back. Always exhale while going up, so, and inhale while going down. Come on, 3 more seconds, and then we'll do hold. Okay, now let's do a hold. So straight legs, leaning a bit back, and hold it there. Just hold it until time runs out. Few more seconds, come on. Hold it there. Now 3, 2, 1, and now we'll do extensions. So like this. 1, 2. Okay? Always exhale while here and inhale while going down. 5 more seconds. Come on guys. You can do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then the last exercise, Russian twist. So to the side. Come on, to the sides. Really rotate back as much as you can. So look behind yourself. Come on. And a pause. So 15 seconds break. Recuperate your strength, and then we'll repeat it again. So let's wait. A few more seconds of the rest. Enjoy it until that time. Okay, get ready. 3, 2, 1, and let's do it. Continue. Exhale. And again. Exhale. And back. Exhale. Back. Come on, hold it 5 more seconds, and then we will do the hold. 3, 2, 1, and then hold. Okay, straight legs. You can actually now put your fingers here, out, and then lean back. Hold it, few more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now extensions. Go on, like this. Extend those legs and continue. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, don't fall, you'll have to break soon. Continue until then. 3, 2, 1. And then Russian twist. Finish, 15 seconds. Fight it till the end, okay? Till the end. Okay, all the finishing, we are behind the end. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 15-second break. Okay, another round. Okay, recuperate your strength. Few more seconds of the break. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And again, let's roll. Exhale. Exhale. And again, exhale. Come on guys, fight it through, even though it might hurt, we have to continue. So, let's last till the end. And the switch, hold, 15 seconds. Come on. Hold it there, till the end guys. Come on, come on. Hold. 3, 2, 1, and extensions, come on. And continue. Nice extensions there. Go straight through those low grabs. Come on. Again, it might hurt right now, but still you have to continue. Come further. 3, 2, 1, and now Russian twist. Finish. Come on, let's go for it. Come on, 3, 2, 1, and a pause. Again, 15 seconds, rest until you can, and then we'll do the last round, okay? Again guys, if this last one round isn't enough for you, you can always do a little more, so another round maybe, or maybe increase the time of the exercises. Okay, let's begin. Exhale. Exhale. And guys, focus on the twist. Twist, up. Twist, up. 3, 2, 1, and again, hold. Again guys, straight legs, slightly above the ground, and then try to lean back if there's your body, and hold it there. Come on, come on. Hold it, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Extension. Come on, extension. Extension. Nicely contract. Come on, come on. Don't stop on me. Finish till the end, it's the last round. And now the Russian twist, continue till the end. Look behind yourself, try to finish. Come on, till the end guys. Work through it. 3, 2, 1, and it's a finish. Okay guys, so this is it for the workout. If you want to make it harder, as I mentioned already, put another round there. If this is enough for you, just finish and do a little stretch while coming here, down, and then trying to stretch your abs like this. Okay, so you're stretching your abs here especially while turning behind yourself. So this will be the movement you will do after you finish. So guys, this is it for the workout. If you found it helpful, leave a like and share. And of course, if you have any questions, ask me down in the comment section below. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching, and bye.